guys, it's Melanie. Happy Monday and welcome to another Mask Monday. Today I am finally, because I've been meaning to do this review for a while, I'm going to share my thoughts on the Olaplex Hair Perfector. This is the number 3, which repairs and strengthens all hair types. I picked this up back in October during I think it was the Sephora Friends and Family sale. My friend Emmy was nice enough to share a code with me, so I was able to get this back then. And I have used it twice since October. I know that this is technically a hair treatment and not a mask per se, but I feel like the way that I use it kind of is a mask in a way, so I'm putting it in a Mask Monday. This product is, it's not exactly cheap. It's $28 and you get 3.3 fluid ounces. For me, that's not so big of a deal because I obviously have really short, fine hair, and I find that a little bit of this product goes a long way. Like I said, I have used it twice and I've really only used about this much. So I don't need a ton of it. I feel like this is gonna last me a while. I do use it once a month. There is another product that I use the other 3 weeks of the month to sort of help to maintain the benefits of the Olaplex, and I will talk about that at the end of the video. I do want to say that today, which is Monday, I do believe that Sephora has extended their 20% off sale through just this past weekend. So I think it's still happening today. If you are interested in purchasing the Olaplex from Sephora, you can get 20% off of it if you are VIB or Rouge. I believe Beauty Insiders can get 15% off. So I will link it down below at Sephora. Sephora isn't the only place that you can find this, but if you're looking to get a little bit of a deal on it, that's where you can do that. I have also seen it at Costco, but it's not there right now. At Costco, you can get a 2-pack for $33. So that's a good deal. If you ever see it online, snag it up. But like I said, it's not available there right now. So let's talk about what Olaplex is and what it's supposed to do to your hair, and then I'll tell you kind of how I use it and what I have found with my particular hair type. So first off, they say that this is actually good for any hair type, so straight, wavy, curly, coiled, tightly coiled. This is a concentrated treatment that strengthens the hair from within, reducing breakage and improving the look and the feel of your hair. I am reading from the Sephora website, so go read up about this product there. There are a ton of reviews and it gets really, really great feedback. It has 4.5 stars, so people really like this product. So the key benefits are that it addresses damaged and compromised hair, it strengthens and protects the hair structure, and it restores healthy appearance and texture to your hair. Olaplex Hair Perfector number 3 is not a conditioner. It's an at-home treatment that contains the same active ingredient found in all professional Olaplex products. Let's see, blah, 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 created by PhDs. So the formula is made to work with every single hair type, providing real structural repair that works from within. And they say that the way that you should use this is, the suggested usage is once a week or 2 to 3 times a week for damaged hair. Apply on damp towel-dried hair. Apply a generous amount from scalp to ends, and make sure that your hair is fully saturated with the product. Leave it on for a minimum of 10 minutes, longer if you wish, which I do. And then rinse your hair and shampoo and condition as usual. So the way that I have been using this is actually only once a month. I find that that is plenty for my particular hair. I do wash my hair first, but you don't have to. And then I will dry it, and I will use, I would say a little bit more than a quarter a quarter-sized amount, and I will evenly spread that from about here down. So just to mostly cover like mid-length to my ends. Whatever is left after that, I work through to the roots and, you know, kind of this part of my head here, but I try to focus the bulk of the product on areas that are damaged, which for me is kind of from here down. And I feel like it is for most people. New hair that grows in is usually pretty healthy unless you are doing a bunch of heat styling, like up to your roots, things like that. For me, the only heat styling that I ever really do is blow drying my hair, and I try to be very careful to not do that too much or too close to the hair. But I will leave it in for a few hours. So sometimes it's usually on a weekend that I do this, so a Saturday or a Sunday. I will pin my hair up, I will go about my housework, and then a few hours later I get back in the shower. I shampoo and condition, usually with my Pureology Hydrate shampoo and conditioner or the Alterna Caviar Moisture Repair, and I shampoo it out. There is an Olaplex shampoo and conditioner that I will link down below, although I haven't found the reviews for that to be quite as consistent. So I have not purchased those products. I'm fine with what I know and love, and that's already in my shower. And I rinse it out, and you guys, my hair, after I use this, feels and looks like $1,000,000. It is so soft. It is smooth, like silk smooth. It feels hydrated. It feels like I just basically put something in my hair that made it really silky. That's the best way that I can describe it. My hair just looks and feels amazing. It does feel like it's stronger. I notice a little bit less breakage and split ends since starting to use this. I don't have a lot of split ends because, like I said, I don't tend to use a lot of heat styling other than blow drying my hair. And yeah, just much softer looking hair, much softer feeling hair, healthier looking hair. It makes my gray hair really shine. It's amazing, you guys. I have found that this product right here is kind of a go-to. And I only use it once a month. Now, to maintain what this gives me once a month, I have been using the overnight bond repair treatment from Alterna, which I received in PR from Octoly. So usually once or twice a week after using this, I will put that in my hair overnight. It absorbs very quickly. It's a beautiful product. I will also link it down below. I feel like it's a great way for me to extend the results of this, and it prevents me from having to use this multiple times a month, if that makes sense. You know, while I don't mind having this in my hair for a few hours once a month, I do think because I'm always on the go, it would be hard for me to use this like once a week. So I really like being able to extend the product with the overnight leave-in treatment from Alterna. This is 100% one of my new go-to products. I will happily repurchase it even at full price after I am finished with this bottle. It just makes my hair feel so amazing. In fact, the very first time that I used it, I put it in my hair before going to get my hair cut with my hairdresser. And I walked in and my hair looked like I had conditioner or something in it. And she was like, "What's going on here?" And I told her, and she was like, "Oh my gosh, Olaplex. It's amazing, right?" And I was like, "Well, this is my first time using it, so I am waiting to see what it feels like when you shampoo and condition my hair before you cut it." And she immediately was like, "Yes, this made a huge difference on your hair. I can tell there's a difference in your hair texture. It just is softer. It's even silkier than it kind of normally is." Fine hair usually is pretty silky, but she said it makes a difference in your hair. So I'm a fan. I'll continue to repurchase. Have you used Olaplex? What are your thoughts? I'm always curious what you guys have to say. Again, I will link it down below. Be sure to pick it up during the sale if you want it, because you might as well get 20% off. And that's it. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.